Here's how to make a GIF on your iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A GIF is a short looping animation made from photos or videos. You can create GIFs on iPhone without any extra apps. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Go to Albums, Live Photos, and select a live photo you want to turn into a GIF. Swipe up on the photo. Under Effects, tap Loop or Bounce. Your live photo is now a GIF-style animation. The animation saves automatically and can be shared like a GIF. To create a GIF from a video, download a trusted GIF app from the App Store. Choose a short video clip, trim it, and export it as a GIF. Tap the share icon to send your GIF through messages, social media, or save it to files. Live photo GIFs work best in messages and supported apps. Some apps may send them as videos. Shorter clips make smoother GIFs and smaller file sizes. And that's it. That's how you make a GIF on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.